Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about Reliance, HDFC and ICICI Bank. Let's get started. So today we have Reliance price action. We are going to check for September month. So September month week 1 you could see open and close here, and then this is week 2, open is here and then close is, let's see, nearby. So till now it is a positive decay. So this becomes the major SL zone. Now we'll go to HDFC Bank. Same pattern. You could clearly see how the price action is reacting, similar to the Reliance. ICICI Bank also looks sideways for September month. You could check the resistance and support here. Okay, now we'll go to the OI. So we will go and check the overall OI in the Trading Tech website. So first off, I'm going to take Reliance here. Let's take Reliance here. So this is Reliance price action as well as chart. So the black dotted line is the futures. You could see the price action. It was an equal buildup, but at the start the put writers were too many. Okay, so with the gap up, all the put writers have come in, but overall the resistance is more in the market for Reliance. Now let's take HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank for today is having a equal build-up in both, that is 72 lakhs and 67 lakhs, but in the overall total call writers are more. That means resistance is still more in HDFC Bank. So yeah, if the call writers do their profit booking, then there might be a breakout. ICICI also, you can see the similar case. Now let's watch the close range OI. So first off, I'm going to take Reliance. So here is the Reliance price action, 76 and 32. So you could see how profit booking in the ITM is and OTM is taking place in change in OI. Okay, so breakout could be soon for Reliance. Now let's take HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, only ITM they are doing the profit booking, but in the OTM they are adding the positions. That means the price action can be sideways for the third week as well, 56 and 28. So definitely resistance is more for HDFC Bank. Now we'll take ICICI Bank. 18 and 8. So you could clearly see 1400 is playing as a short straddle point for ICICI Bank. Now let's calculate the straddle profitability. Let's start with Reliance. Okay, so the first one is Reliance here. I'll keep 1 hour chart frame. Sorry, I will change it to 15 minutes so that we will get the close range. Let me select Reliance here also. Okay, so you could clearly see what was the price action here for 11th. So first half it was trending, second half it was sideways. When you check for open, it is 137670. So 1370 is the strike, and then you could see initially from 50 it came down to 44, and then it just for the whole day it just went sideways and it gave close at 43. 7 points is a very good decay. So we are approaching slightly towards the second half of the month, so the decay is slowly getting hyped up. Okay, now we'll take HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is my favorite stock because change in HDFC would literally change Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. So 960. So mostly this is kept sideways. So you could see the PNL here is the tax and brokerage loss for the sellers, and then we have ICICI Bank here. Open was 90. So ICICI Bank, interestingly, you will find that 1400 being the straddle point, price action is just lingering around 1400, and this was a profitable trade. So let's calculate one lot. Let's calculate the PNL for ICICI Bank. One lot is 700. positive decay is 1 points. When you calculate this, that is 700 plus tax and brokerage. So price action also pretty similar, open and close. You could see here was the open, here was the close, and whole day it just went sideways. Okay, now we would just skip on to the main page. So here I'm interested in checking the straddle points in the OI analysis. We'll start with Reliance. Sorry. We'll start with Reliance. So we'll check what they have added in today. So Reliance completed profit booking. You could see how all the candles are inverted, but in here bar 1400 is slowly getting the more number of resistance. So 1400, if the breakout happens, then Reliance will definitely go up. Okay, now we'll go and check for HDFC Bank. So here clearly support has been added here at 70 and resistance at 80. That's why they are able to keep their positions intact at 60s and 70s. So you could see straddle at both, and while ICICI, simply you can close your eyes and say that 1400 is the major straddle point here for ICICI, which is both resistance and support. So that's it guys, thank you.